everyone, I am Rupinder Kaur, Department of Hotel Management, RPIIT Campus, Karnal. Today in this session, we will discuss about the cuts of the beef. The first is primary cuts, which are shown in these images. The first is chunk, rib, short loin, sirloin, round, short plates and flanks, breast and shank. These are the indications which show on which parts from the beef we find the different types of the cuts. And the first is chunk. Chunk from the neck region. This cut find from the neck region. Most economical cuts, less tender, moist heat, and retail cuts. Some retail cuts are boneless chuck roast, cross rib roast, short ribs, pot roast. Rib, used for many applications, one of the most desirable in the term of tenderness. Retail cuts for the rib: back ribs, rib eye roast, rib eye steak, and rib steaks. Short loin, loin one of the most desirable for tenderness, typically the most expensive cuts of the beef. Retail cuts: porterhouse steak, tenderloin roast, T-bone steak, tenderloin steak, boneless top loin steaks. Sirloin is the waist of the animal located between the rib and the round area. Top sirloin steak is a favorite cut from these sections. Retail cuts: top sirloin steaks and sirloin steaks. Round cut: the ramp and tip muscles. It can be used in the multiple applications and is fairly inexpensive. Fat content is generally 5 to 8% and low in the fat make it tougher. Retail cuts: round steak, boneless rump roast, tip steak, top round roast, tip roast, bottom round roast, top round steaks. These are the retail cuts of the round. Flank. Next cut is a flank. The flank is the area between the body and the hind legs. No bones to identify. Common uses are the facets and jerky. Retail cuts are the flank steaks and flank steak rolls. Plate. The plate is sometimes referred to as the short plates. The plate is a section that is separated from the rib. The retail cuts include the skirt steak and short ribs. Foreshank and bristles, taken from the breast section beneath the chunk, under the first 5 ribs. Breast is the most common retail cuts. Retail cuts are the cornet breast, breast whole and half, shank cross cut. These are the basic cuts of the beefs. So please like, share and subscribe our channel RPIIT Academy. Thank you.